Good afternoon, Mind Healers, and welcome back. So good to see you again. I hope your day is going fantastically, and it's a beautiful sunny day here in Australia, in Western Australia. And it's great because we've had quite a lot of rain in Western Australia over the last few weeks. I just want to say today we're going to be going through a bit of a series because I've been getting some requests from some people after talking about visualization and saying that they find it really difficult to visualize. So I thought I'd do a bit of a series to help you guys out so that you will be able to go through a process. I'm not sure how many videos it'll take. Could be 1 to 5 videos, but hopefully it's going to really help you to start to be able to visualize where you want to be and what you want to do, rather than thinking about the now and what's going on right now, because all of us together as a creative energy are uniting together to move us forward into whatever future you want to perceive it to be, and that includes good or bad. So let's really work on the good, okay? So today, the very first thing I want you to do is, before you start visualizing, it's a little bit like meditation, okay? So you can meditate in silence and visualize that way, which can be really, really helpful. Also, you can do a vision board, which I have both, and I do both. I do silent meditation visualizing, and then I also, in my office, have a great big A5 poster, which has photos and pictures from magazines of things that I would like to achieve in the current financial year, or not really financial year, sorry, but this year, 2021, and what I would like to futuristically do. So some of those actual visualizations can move into the next year as well. It's not a problem. And we just try to achieve those to the best of our ability, depending on what happens in our life, because life always throws us, you know, around a corner, and it throws us a hammer here and a bit of a kick there, but we stand up again and we move forward. So how to prepare for visualizing? So the first thing I want you to do is just to, right now, I want you to sit back. You can either sit on a lounge, which I've got a lounge here, and you can just sit back and you can put your knees up as if you're going to meditate, okay? So let's imagine that you were going to meditate. You've got your legs crossed, you're relaxing your hands. Try to have your hands open, because when you have your hands open, you're going to be receiving, okay? Receiving energy, receiving information, and you're open to it. When you've got your hands placed down on your knees, you're in a bit more of a closed scenario, okay? So let's just keep that and think about that. The next thing I want you to do is take 5 deep breaths. So I want you to breathe in and close your eyes. So close your eyes. That's it. And take a nice deep breath. And actually breathe out. And just feel that stress drop away. And again. And release. Third time, and release. Fourth time. Now feel right up to the top of the chest and force it all out. Last one, breathe in and out. Now open your hands up, make sure they're open, sitting above the thighs, and keep your eyes closed, just closed. And now I want you to try, very try, to remain calm and still. And I'm sorry about my dog. No, I'm not playing now, Shelby. And I want you to remain calm. Now I want you to open your mind. Now what I mean by opening your mind when you've got your eyes shut is I want you to imagine it as a blank space. A bit like when you see in a book a white sheet of paper. So imagine a white sheet of paper that's a little bit like a book, and I want you to think that it's blank, okay? So So try not to think of anything at this particular point. Okay? Do you have it? Do you have the blank page? Okay. Now I want you to imagine yourself taking your hand and you're going to flip that page over. Now what I want you to envision are the things that you would like in your life. Now those things could be a beautiful sports car. So let's try that. Let's try thinking about a Lamborghini, a bright red Lamborghini. I want you to concentrate just on the thought of a Lamborghini or any type of red car, sports car that you really love and that you would like to see sitting in your garage. So are you thinking about that vehicle? So think about that vehicle. Do you have it? Yes. It's red. It's hot. It's sporty. It's something you've always wanted. Now, the best thing I want you to do is, if that's not the car for you, think of the car you want now. What colour is it? What type of car is it? Now, do you see it on the page in the book? White page, maybe a red Ferrari, maybe a red Lamborghini, maybe a black one, maybe a black Porsche. Okay, now you have that vision in your book. I want you to take your hand and I want you to turn over the page. So when we're visualizing, it could be things like going away on holidays. Now I know a lot of people like going away on holidays. So on the next page, we're going to think about where is the next place you would like to go on holidays. So close your eyes and you're looking at the white page. Looking at the white page. Okay? So I want you to think to yourself, where do I want to go to on next holidays? Okay, so for me, it might be Bali. It might be somewhere even in Western Australia. Now, what I want you to envisage is yourself maybe walking along the beach or hiking, wherever it is. See yourself there. See yourself in the accommodation you would like to choose. See yourself sitting by the ocean. See yourself sitting on the sand, feeling the sand. Can you see it in the book? Look at the book. In your mind, look at the book as if it's a page. A white page now has flowing oceans and sand. You can hear people. They're playing and having fun. There's kids making sand castles. And you're feeling warm and you're feeling relaxed. Can you feel the heat of the sun on your body? We're still envisaging the book. We've filled the page now with a complete picture. Beautiful blue skies, white clouds, sand. Fantastic. Now we're going to turn the page once again. Go to the book, turn the page, turn it over. There you go. We now have another blank page. Do you see only white in your head? Yes, that's it. You see white in your head. Now we're going to do something that's a vision about yourself, that you want to be able to see yourself healthy and fit. You want to see yourself happy. You want to see yourself calm. You want to see yourself slim. You want to see yourself having good, loving relationships with your other half or your friends or your family. Whatever that is for you, I want you to now look at the page. Imagine yourself on the page. That's right. Can you see yourself sitting on the page? Can you see yourself being successful? Can you see yourself either being happy or calm? Can you see yourself being healthy your partner, feeling the great and good relationship that you have, feeling love, feeling supported. Can you see it? Can you see the parts of your bodies moving? Can you see yourself moving and smiling? Can you see yourself looking at yourself and realizing how wonderful you are? That's right. This is you. This is the future you, living in the now. Can you envisage it? Can you see it in the book? Yes. What colours are you wearing? Make the picture. What clothes are you wearing? Beautiful. That's the way. Whatever it is that you would like to change in your life, you can do it this way. This is one way of using your visualization, by drawing pictures in a book in your mind. Okay, I want you to open your eyes up now. Fabulous. I want you to take a deep breath in and out. So now what I want you to do is a little job for you for next time. Is I want you to write down the 3 things that you visually saw, because that is going to help you to create your vision board for the next year. So off you go and do that after this YouTube video is finished. It's important for you to be able to visualize, and I do understand that some people do it in Technicolor and some people do it in black and white. But all we can do is try and persist in the things that we find difficult, because eventually we will get there. Thank you for spending some time with me today. I hope this has helped you with your visualization and moving forward. We will talk again very, very soon. And please do click the button or push subscribe if you'd like to see more of my videos. I think I've got about 50 of them now, and I have them on all different topics to help you. I'm here for you. I enjoy bringing these YouTube videos to you and hope that they can help you to become and have the life that you dream of having for now and forever. As always, may the light in me always, always shine in the light in you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will look forward to talking to you guys again. Take care.